How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
This is the star.
You too?
Not so much. Not so much. You are the brilliant star.
Thank you.
And indeed, not just brilliant, but rising. I must say that in watching your performance and receiving your recent award, that I was very proud.
Thank you.
Because for every generation, Jamaica has produced its star, someone that defines the generation. And it is that definition of the generation by their performance, not just locally, but internationally, globally, that keeps Jamaica on top on the world stage. So you are, you are a very important national asset. It is with great pleasure that the government of Jamaica presents you with this diplomatic passport as a symbol of our appreciation, a symbol as well of our respect and love for you. You deserve it, and again, let me hand it over to you now.
Thank you.